extended part that is 4 by 2. Okay, and then this one is 3 by 150. And then the inner box, the tower, 5 by 3. Okay, let's see. Really complete. Done. Next is you need to draw the elevation is very important to be drawn since they are the references of height. So you cannot complete the perspective without heights. So help me out, Di. Pila man siya? Pinakatallest. 14? Okay, so that's 14. Mag-skip na ako ang dire. I don't usually use the end part kasagaran magkulang siya because of manufacturing na siya. So pila to 14 no, so 15 ang under mo register. And then so, as much possible no, you provide space for dimension ha, so you estimate lang. So ayaw kayo sa order. So that's how much the tower. This is 3. Asa naman mo nang layas lagi mo. Then the bigger box, how much is that? Is that 6? 6. And then I think this is 5, 10. Okay, and then the lower one, what's the so the increments are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tag 1 meter siya. Sige, louder.
Louder access.
Very good, children. Ha? Ano da yung tisker, hiwi? And then, there's no dimension given, so you just count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it extends, and then in the plan, it is shown as 1.5. Now, this is one thing that I know. Now, most of you do your plate. We're done with the elevation, except for this one, which is 4. So we will have this as 4 up to, okay, so 4 siya. Ano? Ito ba? Ala, marang lahi ilagay mo naman eh. Where did I got wrong? Where did I got wrong? Ano ang galing man? Sila may dimension niya. 4, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan na aning line. Yeah, sorry. 4 by... Wait, I will figure this out. Wait. Okay. So this is 5. This is where I got wrong. They should be 5. Yeah, the tower is 5, not 3 in elevation. So wala ni. Okay, so then only at the third. Wala na siya labot. But I won't erase that. Remind me lang kuhan. Mauna yung location now. So you have all the setup. Next thing to do is to draw the sight lines from the station point. All the corners of the building to be dropped here. You may only do at that level. Ayaw na ilahos, or you can have it very fine para lang na ay make the distinction ha. Kay it will become chaotic na ibutang na sa nimo sa vertical sa projection lines. So these are sight lines established at all points of the building, because these points will establish your horizontal distances when you construct the base. Okay. So tanan. Now this is one good thing about perspective projection. The accuracy of your perspective is based on your plan, then you are more accurate than drawing it freehand. Wala, ginuka mo. Wala ko dito ginuka. Ginuka. Laban lang. So all the points are already brought down to a picture plane. Now is drop it down to the GL. Telegraphic lang na ko ha, kaya hindi kayo siya hugaw. Mas klaro sa base and then fading pataas. Basta kay important is asa mo ginayasan lagi ko ninyo. Asa mo ang kumbandihan, nag-snacks pa? Wala na, ragid. Apil mo sa kong klase? Apil mo? Bantay bitaw, mangutanaw niya ha? Nagyod ta mo tubagon. Mga master na din sila, okay, di man maminaw. Hindi pa human, mingon na yun. Kung sa gani, buhaton, sir. Okay, so, in any development of perspective, use this, transfer this as a base of the perspective. So, your target would be to locate this big box first, from that measuring line. So, since you started at the picture plane, you start also with the GL at the bottom. So, from there, find asa siya kutob, kani asa siya kutob. So, diri siya mo stop. Using my vanishing point, so I will make a line that will end up to here. Do the same at the other side. Asa mo siya kanina. Okay. Next is this one, the last corner. Kani mo checking point. Mag-meet di siya at